up? It's your girl Desire, aka JKA, aka that pretty mother effer, and I am back with another YouTube video. And of course, I'm doing another wig review. This time I was sent this Kinky 12-inch unit by _slay your hair on Instagram. It will be linked down in the bio. And can we just take a look at these curls? You see that bounce back? How many wigs do you know can bounce back like that? I'll wait. I ain't think so. Go ahead, shop. And of course I have to do the absolute most, so in this video I will be bleaching and coloring this wig platinum, blonde, gray, whatever you want to call it. I'll just call the wig granny. So yeah, and this is my first time using foil, so don't get on me too bad. I did all right. And as far as the bleaching went, I didn't really time it. I just kept it on until it got blonde, but I think I left it on for a little bit over an hour, and I just kept doing the pull test. After that, I washed it out with regular shampoo, and then I waited a full day to do the second round of bleaching. Right after the second round of bleaching, I rinsed the bleach off and got a tub of hot water. I mixed in purple shampoo and I dipped it in for 2 rounds just to get rid of the yellow tones. Okay, so now I finally got rid of a majority of the yellow tones. I'm now coming in with my dye. It was titanium and platinum by Adore. I mixed in a lot of that. And you just want to mix that up really good so there's no clumps left. And I prefer to dunk my wig in instead of just letting it sit there, because I feel like you can control it better when you dunk it. Now here, a majority of the wig was colored except for the inside, and I just wanted to get some health back into the hair, so I ended up mixing the dye again, but this time with some conditioner, and I let that sit in for about 10 minutes, and that's how I got my final color.
One hour later.
And this is the final color. It's still drenching wet, so I wrung out a little bit of the water. Here it is, look at it. And of course, you know, I had to flat iron and style it and come on with little bangs and a little slick bun. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Shout out to _slay your hair for sending me that beautiful unit. Make sure y'all go shop and use my code. Everything will be linked down in the description box. And you know, tell me something in the comments. Tell me a little story. You know, it's 2020. It's a weird year. I don't know. Tell me about some dinosaurs. I don't know, man. But yeah, bye.